Hello, everyone. My name is Donna Roberts. I'm a senior customer success coach with Bright MLS. Today, I'm going to show you how to edit your auto email default messaging. So first, we're going to go into an existing auto email. You can do this from the beginning of an auto email as well, but if you want to change the text, you can go in and find the auto email itself. And we can search by the contact name or by subject. We'll give that a click. Then we'll go right into the settings. Once we're in the settings, we're just going to come down here. Now we can see our welcome email is toggled off because the welcome email has already been sent. But if you'd like to customize your welcome email and change what Bright has as a default, you certainly can. I would suggest that you not personalize it to the person because this is going to be the one that goes out to every person that you set up with an auto email. So you can change it, but I wouldn't customize it specific to clients. Once you make your edits here, you're going to come underneath and where you see this gear wheel, this is how you can save it to become your new default. So you'll click on set current message as my default welcome email text. And that will be the welcome email that every client will receive from then on. Underneath that, you'll be able to reset it to the system default. It'll go back to what it says now. Then we have our recurring email. Same thing. It's pretty basic. Here are some new properties that match your criteria. You can leave that or you can edit it, say whatever you'd like for your recurring emails. That's going to be every email that they receive that has listings, right? So it won't just be one time. Every time a new property comes up for them, they'll receive that same recurring email. So you'll want to say whatever it is in there. Once you're finished, once again, click on that gear wheel at the bottom and set current message as my default recurring email text. Once we're finished with that, we'll come down to the bottom, save all of our changes, and it'll be good to go. Thanks for joining me today on learning how to edit your default messaging in an auto email. Have a great day.